Hi everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of LinkedIn app. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then this page we click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.